Imagine waking up tomorrow. You check your phone, order breakfast, ask an AI to answer your emails, and use another AI to create images and videos. Then you suddenly realize something strange. You haven't spoken to another human being all day. Could this become our future? Artificial intelligence is growing faster than almost any technology in human history. Only a few years ago, AI struggled to understand simple commands. Today, it can write books, compose music, create artwork, drive vehicles, and even help scientists discover new medicines. Some experts believe that this is only the beginning. Naturally, this raises an important question. Will artificial intelligence replace humans? The answer is complicated. Throughout history, new inventions have always changed the world. During the Industrial Revolution, machines replaced many factory workers. Computers transformed offices, and the internet changed almost every aspect of daily life. Some jobs disappeared, but entirely new industries emerged. Many experts believe that artificial intelligence will follow the same pattern. Repetitive tasks will probably become automated, allowing people to focus on creativity, leadership, critical thinking, and human relationships. Skills that make us uniquely human may become more valuable than ever before. However, there is another concern. What happens if artificial intelligence becomes more powerful than we expect? Who should control it? How can governments ensure that it is used responsibly? These questions have become some of the most important challenges of the modern world. Scientists, engineers, and world leaders are now working to create rules and safeguards for this rapidly developing technology. Their goal is to ensure that artificial intelligence improves human life instead of threatening it. One thing is certain: artificial intelligence is already changing our world. The real question is not whether change is coming. The real question is how humanity will adapt. Perhaps the future will not belong entirely to humans. Perhaps it will belong to humans and machines working together. And perhaps the greatest invention in human history is only just beginning.